Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So happy Tuesday. We have a solid game plan today. I thought we weren't gonna see anything, but I actually found three stocks that I actually like quite a lot. So I need to make sure that I'm not so excited for it, but it is Coin, Tesla, and MU. So let's look at the bigger picture before anything. So yeah, SPY is currently trading right above 2 days ago high a day. And look how it's looking. Like it's looking for, like, we could see a couple days of consolidation. That's how it's setting up. So if we could break yesterday high, and also we could see a rejection from pretty much all-time highs. As I've been saying, it's a bit overextended, so period consolidation, even the pullback wouldn't look bad. So that's again, and currently in pre-market sessions, pulling back is so very bullish, and we're still holding inside yesterday's price action. So if we could break yesterday low, we could potentially see a pullback. If we could break 2 days ago low a day, I feel like we see a very nice pullback. But again, I'm just looking for potentially a period consolidation for potentially another like higher. QQQ actually acted a little bit more bullish yesterday, but we are rejecting previous all-time highs. So we actually broke. We actually closed above. But in pre-market session, we are rejecting pretty much this weekly key level or pretty much periods of all-time highs. So same kind of scenario. If we could break yesterday low a day, I feel like we could see a potential continuation. And again, looking for a potential. Yes, we could see a pullback, but looking for potential period consolidation. For potential another leg higher. And the reason is that every time we pull back, I've noticed that buyers are still really, really strong. So it's just being patient. And currently we are having a nice pullback right now. We actually just got in below yesterday. Below. We are about to break or getting closer to yesterday low day on SPY, and QQQ having a nice pullback as well. We're still a bit far, well, getting closer to yesterday low day. So let's see what opportunity presents itself. So pretty much MU has some news at 8:10. So it's a news catalyst play plus a rejection. It's kind of like correlating. The only thing is that on the higher time frame, it still looks pretty bullish. So weekly looks bullish, but I mean the way we open, this candle's gonna open. It's gonna look like a nice doji candle, red candle, pretty much pulling back. So I feel like if we could break those three levels. Let me just jump into the smaller time frame. So if we could break those three levels, which is 2 days ago low day, this daily key level, and pre-market low, I feel like the door is open to see a quick move down to pretty much this weekly key level. So that's kind of like the play I'm looking for. It's actually not looking bad. It's not looking bad. Coin is actually showing some really nice strength compared to the market. So look at this bullish price action breaking. So this is kind of like what I like. So look at this trend that we're like pretty much doing, and we actually broke yesterday and closed above, and currently gapping up. So what this one's very simple: a pullback ideally to 230, or even yesterday high day for a move higher. It's just acting. It's doing its own thing. I mean, the market's currently pulling back, and coin is holding really strong. So it's just want to pay attention to its price action, but it's showing relative strength compared to the market. And then Tesla, surprisingly enough, I wasn't liking it, but now I'm starting to like it. Even like when I was doing the prepping for the market, I was like, damn, but this is actually looking pretty damn good. So if we look here, a couple things. So if we go into the weekly, we have, I know for some reason there's a typo on this, but the wick is not that it just should be around this area. But look, a nice drop, base drop. I know it's in the smaller time frame. If you look at the bigger picture, still looks bullish, but potentially drop, base drop. That's first thing. And daily, we created like this triangle daily in 1 hour, and also in the 1 hour, as you can see here, we have a potential. Let me just hide myself. We have a potential. Again, we have been in the chop fest, but we have a potential drop, period consolidation for another drop. So if we could break yesterday low a day, pre-market low, and 2 days ago low a day, I feel like the door is open for a move at least to this daily key level. And if we could break this daily key level, 170, and potentially this weekly key level. So honestly, it's not looking bad. I feel like today we potentially could see some good setup. Let's see if the market actually gives that. But let's jump into the smaller time frame. So if we look at Coinbase, so with Coin, again, as you can see, showing relative strength. Look at the overall market. So QQ currently pulling back. Look, nice pullback. Coin is holding like a boss. Above you say high day is holding really, really nice. But with this one, again, I got two scenarios, which is a pullback to 230 pre-market low, and also potentially a high day for a potential bounce and continuation. And I actually forgot to write scenario 2. Scenario 2 is actually just as simple as that we actually push off the open, we break and hold above pre-market high, and we see buyers just taking control for a nice continuation higher. It's that simple. With this one, I do need to pay close attention to its spreads on the contract, and also let pricing tell me the story. Tesla, just because coin it's a bit risky, it tends to be a bit risky. It's high risk, high reward. But I just need to pay close attention to this price action. Tesla, as I said, I like it. If we could break those levels, those 3 levels for a move lower, it's very simple. So I want to just be patient, let price action tell me a story. And I also want to take consideration that Tesla has been a bit choppy lately, so I want to make sure that it gives me a clean sign. And then MU, as I said, at 810 we had some news, and look at this drop that we had. So it's just want to see if, because in the higher time frame, it's now looking like a potential rejection all-time highs. So just looking for that continuation lower if sellers are present. So that's about it. That's pretty much the game plan for May 21st. As always, going to be patient. We've got up to our eyes, and most probably going to follow our rule.